Being a new mom is no walk in the park. After washing, baby bottles are everywhere, but why is organizing them such a hassle? Introducing the baby bottle rack from Pappu. Holds up to 8 bottles, with separate space for 8 lids and nipples. Made from food-grade, non-toxic, BPA-free materials. Designed to meet every need of today's modern moms. Front row offers extra space for placing other accessories. All peg tips are covered with food-grade rubber, 100% safe. And most importantly, it's foldable. Saves space, easy to store anywhere, and convenient to carry. Caution: this device is not a toy. For adult use only. Do not use solvents, harsh chemicals, or detergents for cleaning, as they may damage the product. Packed with features that care for every detail to ensure your baby's safety. Order now here. Discover more products here, or through the link below the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our new content.